morning students, I am SK Vidyarthi, TGT Computer Science, MGSS Darbhanga, and in this video I am going to talk you class 8 Computer Science and the first chapter, that is the computer networking. This is the 10th day of these chapters. Previous classes I have already talked to you some famous term related to internets. I have already talked to you the URL, Uniform Resource Locators, ISP, Internet Service Providers, IP, Internet Protocol Address, and today I will discuss the remaining terms related to Internet, such as DNS. Its full form is Domain Name System. This is a special type of systems and it is utilized to identify the location, a special type of location on the web server, say as the web page or websites. It is the combined form of two parts. It is the combination of two parts. First one is domain name and the second one is the extension name. Say as one of the examples, grambooks.com. So here grambooks, it is the domain name and .com. .com is the extension name. So we people are familiar about most of this extension name, domain extension. Say as wherever we able to find .com, its meaning is that's commercial website. Wherever we are able to find .gov, its meaning is governmental websites. If we are find .edu, educational website. .ac, its meaning is academic websites. If we find .mil, its meaning is military website. .org, non-profit organization websites, and .net, network resource organization. So these are the extension name, domain extensions, and it is able to find a specific type of location on the web servers. Okay, now see fifth point, that is the web page. Web page is an individual page, single page on the websites, and it is not look like the our page in which we are writing the letters or making the documents, say as the MS Words. It is the different type of page. We can also say as internet page. Here we can able to find the audios, videos, some of the graph charts is there. So many linkage are there on the web page. So this web page, internet page, is different from the normal page. Okay, then sixth point, that is the website. Website is the combinations of collection of so many web pages. Say as whenever we have one of the books, and the books is the combination of so many pages. So this is the page and this is the looks like the book. So in this website, so many web pages are there, related web pages are there. And next one is web portals. Web portal is especially designed websites and which is utilized for the variety of work. Say as through web portal we can do the web shopping, we can do the emails, we can also do the educational search engine is there. So through the web portals we can able to do a variety of works. One of the example is here. Rediff.coms, through Rediff.coms we can do the shoppings, we can do the chattings, we can also do the email messaging, we can do this utilize for this web portal as a search engine. So many variety of work it is doing here. So we can say as Rediff.com is a special type of web portal. Okay, now the next point, that is the bandwidth. Bandwidth, it is related to the speeds of the internet. Whenever having more bandwidth, meaning is that more mbps and downloading very quickly, and you can say as network is very good. But whenever having a big bandwidth, then network is big and the downloading is very slow. So that is the terms in internet. And next one is the hyperlink. So whenever we are opening the internet page, on that page we are able to find the hyperlink. Hyperlink may be of two types. One is the image and the second one is the buttons. Says this is the buttons. On button is we have provided, and we are clicking here this button. Then second page is going to open. Whenever we putting the mouse pointer here, then here hand symbol is appearing, and again we are clicking here, then next page is going to open. So this is the button hyperlink, and here the pictures, any picture is there, and we come to my mouse pointer here. Mouse is appearing just like the hand symbol, and we are clicking here the image. The next page is going to open. Says here is the picture of MS Dhoni, and then we are clicking on the MS Dhoni pictures. Then Dhoni's related information is coming in the next web page. So that is the hyperlink. So these are the terms very famous in internet, and whenever we are utilizing, so this term is coming. So in this chapter we have learned these type of things, and in next video I will talk to you next chapters. So how was this video? You have to comments. Okay.